Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn a new word, that is procrastination. Before jumping into its meaning, we must learn how to pronounce this word. Procrastination. Whenever you have such big words, make it a habit to split the letters. It becomes more easy. Procrastination. Procrastination. Now we'll understand its meaning, but firstly in Hindi as it gives more clarity. It's like टालना, विलंब करना, आजकल करना या देर करना. Actually, this word has originated from Latin word procrastinus, which itself evolved from the prefix pro, that means forward, and crastinus means tomorrow, next day, or future. So till now we have understood that procrastination is act of delaying something that must be done. But we are delaying because it is unpleasant, boring, or we are less motivated. It can be used in sentences also. Just like he hates delay and procrastination in all its forms. One can avoid procrastination by reordering the priorities of one's objective. So it's a proverb also. Procrastination is thief of time. Don't procrastinate to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Do it now. Thank you.